Welcome to the Peterbilt Driver Tutorial video series. This series will explore the key features of the Model 579. This video series is intended to help you get the best performance and fuel economy from your 579. It also provides you with tips for a safe operation. The videos will cover the main vehicle internal and external features and their functions to help you become familiar with your 579. The 579 provides customers and drivers with the competitive advantage they need. The 579 is Peterbilt's latest, most advanced on-highway model designed for efficiency, performance, and safety. Tested, refined, and validated advanced aerodynamics reduce operating costs. The ergonomic interior delivers driver comfort designed for maximum productivity. The lightweight, reinforced aluminum cab is built to last, maintaining the highest quality fit and finish throughout the life of the vehicle. We're proud to offer our customers hundreds of options, allowing you to build a truly customized truck designed for your specific application. The truck you're driving may differ slightly from the one in this video series. And now let's start exploring more about the Peterbilt Model 579.